How to lock screen while watching YouTube videos on Android. First, open your phone's settings. After that, scroll down to select Security. Then click More Security Settings. Here you will see Screen Pinning. Just click that and enable it. When enabled, the screen can be pinned to a single app in order to restrict access to other functions. Just enable this, and after that, go to your YouTube app. Once you are here, simply do this to your YouTube app and click this icon on the upper portion of the screen and click Pin. Then you will see the screen pinning notification that only the interfaces related to this app can be displayed. Just click OK, and that's it. The app is now pinned. Screen pinning is turned off when you exit the app. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.